Air Fryer Crumble recipe. This basic crumble recipe has got even easier because it is cooked in the air fryer. You're going to need 90 grams of plain flour, and to that you want to add 55 grams of cold cubed butter. Then you want to use the rubbing in technique using nice light fingers. Keep rubbing in until it resembles something like fine breadcrumbs. Then to that you want to add 55 grams of demerara sugar. Then preheat your air fryer. What you need to do is put it to 180 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes on air fry. I shall be cooking the crumble in these little baking tins. They're like little mini portions and usually they fit 4 in an air fryer. I will make sure that the link is in the description for you, but you could use any other vessel. In each of these tins, I'm putting around about 50 to 60 grams of fruit. And you'll see here I'm using frozen fruit, which is absolutely fantastic for this, but you could use fresh if you want. Make sure that you put a good layer of the crumble on top. And if you do have any left, do not waste it. It really freezes well. I use these reusable freezer bags. Again, I will put the link in the description for you. Then you pop them in the air fryer at 180 degrees centigrade on the air fryer mode for around about 13 minutes. Do just be aware that different models of air fryer vary, so it could be 13 minutes, it could be 15. Just keep your eye on them. Just take care in removing the crumble from the air fryer out of the pots, and then it's simply a case of serving it with cream, custard, ice cream. What's your pleasure? Anyway, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go: cookingwithemily.co.uk.